Before watching, please subscribe this channel. Today, I'm going to talk about personal finance. Personal finance refers to how individuals manage their money, including earning, spending, saving, and investing. It helps people plan their finances and achieve their life goals. Understanding personal finance is very important because it helps people avoid financial problems and build a secure future. 1. Income. The first component of personal finance is income. Income is the money a person earns from different sources. These sources may include salaries, wages, business profits, investments, or allowances. Income is the foundation of personal finance because it determines how much money a person has available to spend, save, and invest. For example, if a person earns $2,000 per month, they must decide how to divide that money between expenses and other needs. 2. Budgeting. The next important aspect of personal finance is budgeting. Budgeting means creating a plan for how to spend and manage your money. It helps people track their expenses and avoid overspending. A well-planned budget ensures that essential needs such as food, rent, and bills are covered before spending money on non-essential items. One popular budgeting method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of income for needs, rent, food, 30% for wants, shopping, entertainment, hobbies, 20% for savings and investments. Budgeting helps people stay financially organized and disciplined. 3. Saving. Another key part of personal finance is saving. Saving means setting aside a portion of your income for future use. This money can be used for emergencies or important life goals. Financial experts often recommend creating an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Saving money also helps people prepare for future goals, such as education, travel, or buying a house. 4. Investing. Investing is another important element of personal finance. Investing means using money to generate more money over time. Instead of keeping all money in a savings account, people can invest in different assets such as bonds, mutual funds, real estate. Investing helps money grow through interest, dividends, and capital gains. However, investing also involves risk, so it is important to research and plan carefully before making investment decisions. 5. Managing debt. Many people use loans or credit cards, which makes debt management an important part of personal finance. Debt management means borrowing responsibly and making sure loans are repaid on time. Examples of common debts include student loans, credit card debt, car loans, home mortgages. Managing debt properly helps maintain a good credit history and prevents financial stress. 6. Financial goals. Personal finance also involves setting financial goals. Financial goals can be divided into 2 types. Short-term goals, such as buying a phone, saving for a vacation, paying off small debts. Long-term goals, such as buying a house, starting a business, planning for retirement. Setting financial goals helps people stay focused and make better financial decisions. Conclusion. In conclusion, personal finance is about managing money effectively. It includes earning income, budgeting expenses, saving money, investing wisely, managing debt, and planning financial goals. By practicing good personal finance habits, individuals can achieve financial stability and build a secure future. Remember that small financial decisions made today can have a big impact on your future. Thank you for listening.